Recently, Unreal Engine has added another step in order to get your multiplayer working, so I'm going to be showing you how to fix this. This is just going to be a tutorial for the setup of the plugins as well as the Engine.ini file. So I'm going to be specifically using the Advanced Sessions plugin, and I'm going to be using version 5.7.4. In order to add the Advanced Sessions plugin that you just downloaded, you can click on a folder and hit Show in Explorer, and this will bring up where your project is stored. Navigate to the first folder of this and create a new folder called Plugins. Then go ahead and extract your Advanced Sessions plugin. And in the Advanced Sessions, take your Steam and your Advanced Sessions and go ahead and drag and drop them into the plugins folder that you just created. And now that you have pasted the plugins in, go ahead and open your config, your default Engine.ini. And at the bottom, you're going to paste this in. This will be your config. And this part specifically is the new thing required in your config folder. I'm using the SteamDevAppId F480, which is the test ID. If you have an actual project with Steam, then you'll enter your own ID here. And you go ahead and save this and close it. Now back in your project, you're going to go to Plugins and search for OnlineSubsystemSteam as well as SteamSockets. The SteamSockets plugin is a new plugin that you also will need in order to get multiplayer working. And go ahead and hit restart now. Once your project has restarted, go in and check to make sure that your Advanced Sessions plugin is active and inside Unreal Engine. Now next is another necessary step just to make sure the Advanced Steam Sessions plugin works correctly. We're going to go to Tools, the new C++ class, and select None, and just create the class. This will enable C++ in your project and allow it to build correctly. Once it has finished, you can go ahead and exit. And once you have exited, go ahead and navigate back to your project folder, right-click, and hit Show More Options, and then Generate Visual Studio Project Files. And once it has finished, go ahead and right-click, hit Show More Options, and hit Open. It will ask you if it needs to be rebuilt, and go ahead and select Yes. Mine has already done that, so it won't pop up for me. You'll now be back inside, and everything should be working correctly. If you guys would like a tutorial on how to actually use the multiplayer system and join games, let me know.